Arubas.
Alright, we got the coffee. And we got some Basenjis out here somewhere. Y'all want to go outside? I guess we're in the deep south today, right? Y'all want to go outside? Come on, y'all. I lived in Texas for 4 years, you can tell. Now I've got a problem, guys. I got coffee in one hand and a camera in the other. I can't open the door. That'll work. No. Go on. Crazy dogs. I'll just put that there. And then we'll close the door. Oh, it's beautiful out here this morning. I had to run back in and get myself some muffins. And I think the dogs are off to explore the yard a bit, see what's going on this morning. Where is it? Hi, baby. Good morning. Yeah. Zinga, come say hi. Yeah. Good morning. Hey, Zinga. Hi, buddy. What's going on? Hi, Zulu. Zulu. Zinga. Zinga. Hi. Hey. 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 Up here. Hi. It's a beautiful day out, huh? Come here, Zoo. Look at Daddy. All right. Oh, I shouldn't have said come here. That actually made you get up. Sorry about that. Hi, Zulu. I'm not doing this in selfie mode, so I can't tell if I'm aiming the camera correctly. I hope I am. I think I am. But we'll see. Sitting with your daddy. Yeah. Sitting with your daddy, girl.